Hey, Sean Poole here with State Chemical. We are at the South Oldham Fire Department in Crestwood, Kentucky. All right, so here is one of our OneSolutions in my fire departments, and we have, I don't know, in our district somewhere around 20 to 25 different departments we work with. This is the primary thing that every fire department can utilize. It really helps control not only the cost, but also the quality of goods. In these places, different shifts sometimes will go to the grocery store every day, and if every day they have to go buy cleaning supplies, it can really increase their costs quite a bit, as well as lead to some unsafe conditions with firefighters just kind of mixing different things to get the job done. So we use our OneSolution, which has been a fantastic product for them, not only for cost savings, but also to make sure that each person is getting the right products. So for instance, our state NDC is their primary cleaner. They clean all their tables, all their doorknobs, handrails, bathroom counters, anything you can think they would clean, they're probably cleaning with this guy. Other things like glass cleaner. DBC 34 is right now one of my favorite of our dilutable bowl cleaners. Has the great properties of some of our other bowl cleaners where it has a little bit of pH to it. So it cleans really well, helps in my area with the hard water that we have, but it also has that disinfectant built into it, so we really like that. One thing that's kind of firefighter specific or firehouse specific is odor remover. And some people may not think to put this in a dilution system, but in these environments, these folks are working 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, maybe if they have two shifts, and then somebody else is coming to sleep in that bed. So, guys want to feel like they have a fresh, clean mattress every time they get in it. So it's practice around here at least, and in most of my firehouses, to spray down that mattress with the Ecolution odor remover, let it dry before they put their sheets and linens on it. That way everyone feels like they're getting in a fresh new bed each time they're on shift. And then finally, obviously, we have our Scentastic for our floor cleaner. Smells great, cleans the floors really well, because these people, they do live here, so they take a lot of pride, and especially the chiefs take a lot of pride in having a firehouse that is really clean, and it makes the whole place smell great, which is great when the community's coming in.